Hi, so in this video I will show you the designs that I have created in 2017 and 18. Actually I have just completed my graphic design course in 2017 only. So I will show you the designs how I was creating in 2017 and 18. So how it was, what is my designing level, how it was my creativity. So these all things you will definitely enjoy as a beginner and can relate yourself easily. So in next video I will show you the designs how I get started creating designing in 2019, 20, 21, 22 and 23 and 24. So that the purpose is only to creating this video as a beginner you can get relate yourself and come to know how graphic designers grow their skill, knowledge, creativity day by day. So you have to watch this video carefully and find the exact difference between the designs, how it's getting improved, and you can also relate your designs and find the exact problem and issues where you are doing mistake and improve your designing skill quickly. So let's get started and see the designs that I have created in 2017. So it was something the designs which I have created in 2017. Now I am going to show you the designs which I have created in 2018. So hope you enjoyed this video and find some difference between the designing quality. In next video I will show you the designs which I have created in next years. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, so I will recommend please keep it subscribed so that you will not miss the upcoming videos. Thank you so much.